I said certified free, 7 days a week. Ass pussy, make that pull out get weak. Yeah, you fucking with some wet ass pussy. In a mood, this wet ass pussy.
What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, no intro today. We're jumping right into the makeup tutorial. So up first, we're gonna condition these lips. I am using the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, y'all, one of my favorite lip conditioners. And you guys already know I'm gonna use the best of the best, the P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor number 2, and I'm gonna blend that out with the Kabuki style brush. All right, jumping into our feature eyeshadow palette in today's video, Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette, and the two colors that I'm gonna be jumping into is going to be the color Blaze and Tahiti. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay these colors down, and then we're gonna go in with a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Mango. This is gonna help me blend out that beautiful red, y'all. And when I tell you I was feeling this crease, okay. And then to blend out that purple, I am taking the color Lilac. Again, guys, when you are blending, please take your time. Jumping into our defining color, I'm gonna jump into color Black Beach, and I'm gonna go ahead and hug this at the bottom of the red, bringing it into the purple. And then again, you want to take your time with this, guys, and retensifying as you blend until you get your desired pigment. Again, do take your time. All right, guys, so jumping into the Garnier Fructis Micellar cleansing water, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my crease. This time around, I did bring up my crease very high. I just wanted my eyes to look really open, and look at that crease, guys. I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think of this look? Do we love these kind of looks, or should I go back to just doing regular eyeshadow looks? Let me know what you guys think. So you guys already know I'm going to use the best of the best. I am going to use the P. Louise base that I used in the beginning, and then I'm going to use the paint and blank canvas, and I am going to take just enough to go ahead and wipe out our lid and really clean up that crease. And can we talk about how sharp that crease is? Gorgeous, y'all. All right, guys, so let's get onto our lid. So I am gonna go into the color Coral, y'all. This color by itself is underrated in the palette because there's so many beautiful colors, but when I put this on, it is giving neon. Okay, I was so in love with it. So to blend the inner part of the eye, I'm gonna use the color Sand, which was that beautiful like peachy shade, and this right here was giving a whole summer vibe. But of course, you know, I had to throw a little bit of a defining color, so I did go back into the Tahiti color and just put that on the outer part. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of detail work to connect the crease. So I added just a little bit of black just to so it didn't look separated, the two colors. I wanted them to marinate, and as you guys see, that the black is just adding them together. Now let's talk about this Dior eyeliner, y'all. Y'all know I rave about my Anastasia liquid eyeliner, but y'all, I think I have it beat with this Dior. Okay, this Dior liquid liner is legit bomb as fuck. Look, this one is the brown one, and it's so dark, and when I tell you I got a precise line without any concealer, I am here for it. I'm sold, and I highly recommend it, guys, if you're looking for a liquid eyeliner. So let's jump into our waterline. I am using the Too Faced Kilowatt eyeliner in Killer Cashmere, and I'm gonna use the same colors that I used on my eyelid in my waterline. Okay, I wanted a colorful waterline, so I was like, well, we don't have separate colors, and ain't nobody got time to be doing all of that. Just go ahead and do this. Shout outs to Tatanisha. She's the one that showed me how to do that, so shout outs to you, boo. Okay, all right, guys, so once you're done, let's go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm gonna use my favorite. This is the One Size Fantasize Mascara. If you know, you know. I love this mascara so much. Okay, all right, guys, let's jump into complexion. So I'm gonna use my favorite. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer with the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter, y'all. This is a must cocktail for anybody that's normal to dry skin or just overall like that dewy kind of glow. In my 30s, it is a must, okay, because I am dry as fuck. Okay, so to prevent that and really give me that desired look, I go ahead with these two products, and when I tell you it is giving Tin Man, I'm here for it. Okay, so let's move on to complexion. Well, under eyes, I am going to use the Huda Beauty color corrector in the color Mango. Okay, this one's a little deep for me, but it does the job. Okay, so once I do this, we're going to go into my Holy Grail foundation cocktail. So I'm going to be using two NARS foundations. I will link both of them in the description bar down below. So this is the, I think, the all matte foundation, and then the luminous something foundation. So Again, I'll have the right names in the description bar. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out, and y'all, can I talk about the complexion? Let's really talk about it. It is beautiful. It is healthy looking. It is just flawless. Okay, look at the side with and without. We loving with. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna go into one of my favorites and it's just a classic in my arsenal. It's the Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer, and for the outer part, I am using a detail brush so that way we don't mess up the eyeshadow. I also use that detailing brush to navigate some of the product so I didn't make a mess with the concealer. And then I'm just blending that out with my beauty sponge, and y'all, it is giving flawless. Okay, that's why we use a color corrector, so that way everything looks nice and beautiful, okay, and bright. So for complexion, guys, I'm gonna use the One Size Turn Up the Base foundation powder. I'm applying this in a pressing motion, and again, I'm just doing that on the outskirts of the face. And then for my under eye, I'm gonna switch to the Collab Set the Stage loose powder, excuse me. So I am using a loose powder. This one, I don't know, I don't think they make this anymore, but I love this powder, so I'm gonna use it. It does give that beautiful brightness. And for bronzer, I'm jumping into the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in number 2. And y'all, I have been sleeping on this bronzer. It's been in my collection for a while, but look at how beautiful, like beautifully bronzed my skin got when I applied this. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, I definitely am going to be using this in upcoming videos. And then for blush, guys, I'm going to jump into the Juvia's Place Blush Rose Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to jump into the pink. Come on, y'all, look at that pink. That pink is beautiful. Okay, so for my under eyes, guys, I decided to do a double wing moment. So I'm just taking the same Tahiti color and I'm just adding a little bit of liner to it so that way it deepens it. And then of course I did my inner flick with that Dior eyeliner, which was so easy. Come on, look at the angles and how sharp everything is. That Dior eyeliner, I highly recommend it. For lashes, guys, you guys already know, nothing new here. These are the Popsy lashes in the Style Boss My Holy Grail lashes. They never go out of style for me. I highly recommend them. Jumping into lips, guys, we're going to be using the Anastasia lip pencil in Cool Brown, and you already know I'm going to overdraw the out of my lips, okay, because I don't have no lips. Okay, so we're gonna fake it till we make it, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little contouring just to give that beautiful definition that I like. And then for lipstick, y'all can't tell me nothing about this company. I am a huge fan of Artist Couture lipsticks, one of the best formulas on the market, hands down. You can't tell me nothing. I'm using this in the color Angel Baby, one of my favorites, and look at that nude, it's perfect. And then for lip gloss, I am giving Give Beauty a try, and this one's in the color Sweet Tooth. Y'all, look at how gorgeous this lip gloss is. When I tell you this combination is like heaven sent, stop sleeping on her. She's beautiful. And just like that, we are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Do consider subscribing to the Ignitions family. I love all you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.